We're going to take a look now at a few different ways that you can zoom in and out in Excel. So the first way to zoom in and out is if you go to the ribbon and click on the View tab, there's a zoom section over here, and there's a few different buttons. So the first one is called Zoom, and if you click on it, a pop-up box opens up and it gives you different magnification levels that you can choose. So at the moment it's on 100%, and 100% is the standard zoom. So that's not zoomed in or out, that's just normal. So what you can do here is you can choose one of these levels. So if we choose 200% and click OK, you can see that everything inside the spreadsheet is now double the size. If we go back into it and we choose, say, 50% and click OK, now it's half the size, so everything's a lot smaller. Okay, so you can choose one of these preset magnification levels, or you can actually type in a custom level. So if you wanted to do, say, 120%, you just type that in, press OK, and that's now zoomed to 120%. Okay, so to get back to 100%, you can either go back in here and choose 100% and press OK, or you can click on this button here that says 100%, and no matter what your zoom level, it will always just go back to the standard 100%. And as I said before, that's neither zoomed in nor out. That's just the normal zoom level. Okay, so the last button there is Zoom to Selection. And what you need to do there is actually select some cells. So if I drag the mouse over like this to select these cells, and then I click on Zoom to Selection, you can see that Excel has actually zoomed in to those exact cells. So it's filled up the screen with just those cells. So that's a handy one if you need to zoom into certain cells in Excel. I'll just click on 100% again to get that back to normal. Okay, another way you can zoom in and out is if you have a wheel on your mouse. If you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, which I'm doing now, and then you just move your mouse wheel forwards, it will zoom in. And if you move your mouse wheel backwards, it will zoom out like that. And then you can let go of the Control key. Okay, so that's how you can do it with the mouse. Another way is with shortcut keys. So if you hold down Control and Alt, which I'm doing now, and then press the plus key, it will zoom in. And then if you press the minus key, it will zoom out. So if you hold down Control and Alt and press either plus or minus, you can zoom in and out. Okay, the last way to zoom in and out that I'm going to show you is by using the zoom slider, which is right down here in the bottom right corner. And you can see that's set to 100% at the moment. And all you need to do is left click on the slider with your mouse, hold it down, and then just move the slider left or right to zoom in and out like that. Okay, so I'll just put that back to 100%. Now, if you can't find the zoom slider, what you need to do is just put your mouse over this section here, right click, and then just make sure zoom slider is ticked right there. And if it is ticked, the zoom slider will show up. If it's unticked, the zoom slider won't show up, just like that. Okay, so I'll just right click again and just put the zoom slider back. And there it is again, ready to use. Okay, so that's a whole bunch of different ways that you can zoom in and out in Excel.